It's a trite but true refrain that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. For most of us, it's been about 12 hours since our last meal and our bodies need a good refueling. Yet, statistics show that as many as 50% of us don't eat breakfast. We're too busy. We don't like breakfast foods. We're not hungry. We're trying to lose weight. Sad to say, none of those reasons are valid. There are many healthy breakfasts that can either be bought or made that are fast and even portable. There's no law that says you have to eat breakfast foods for breakfast. You legitimately might not feel hungry in the morning, particularly if you aren't accustomed to eating breakfast. But you should eat something, even if you make a fairly light choice, like fruit and yogurt. Trying to lose weight is the worst excuse of all. Study after study shows that people who skip breakfast end up eating more the rest of the day than people who eat a solid breakfast every morning. So how do you get the magical mix of the right nutrients that will give you energy and send you healthfully into your day? It's not that hard, really. Spend a little bit of time thinking about what you like and then plan some healthy breakfasts. Here are some ideas to get you started. If you need something portable, the ever-popular smoothie is a good choice. Be careful when you purchase a smoothie at a shop, however, as some can have as many as 600 calories. You can purchase a good blender or smoothie maker to have at home and whip up your own smoothie in less time than it takes to stop at a smoothie store, and you'll know exactly what's in it. For an even faster breakfast, try making some breakfast burritos and keeping them in the freezer. You can use regular or whole wheat tortillas, scrambled eggs, either whole, all whites, a mix, or an egg product, some veggies like peppers and onions, and soy sausage. These freeze beautifully. Pull one out, and while you're pouring your coffee, it can be heating in the microwave. Add a banana or apple for on-the-go dining. Cereal is a fine breakfast, as long as it's not the only thing you eat. Consider adding some banana or blueberries on top, or fixing it with soy milk for a healthy dairy addition. Otherwise, stick to skim milk. If you don't like breakfast, consider making peanut butter and jelly sandwich on wheat bread. Grab a banana on the way out the door. Have some leftover vegetarian pizza from dinner? That's a fine breakfast, though you will want to add a glass of milk or some fruit to round it out. Trying to lose weight? Breakfast might be the easiest meal to fill up without using a lot of calories or fat. Have oatmeal with soy milk, or high-fiber cold cereal. Consider a homemade version of a fast food sandwich. You can fry up an egg, add a slice of Canadian bacon and put the two into a toasted English muffin for a 200-calorie, filling breakfast.